Hi, in front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 3, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our smartband. To do it, simply double tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold on the screen to open the menu, then swipe downwards from the top of the screen to scroll through the menu and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe upwards on the screen, find this light bulb icon and tap on it. Here, scroll down by swiping upwards, find the option called Timeout, tap on it, and now we can change the value by swiping up or down on the screen. Select the value you like and then tap on it to confirm. As you can see, now my timeout duration is set too long, so my screen will turn off after some time of inactivity, but longer period of time than normally, which by default I believe it's short. So it's gonna stay turned on longer. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.